If you've ever wondered what makes gelato different from ice cream and why more people are choosing it both at home and in shops, this video is for you. From healthier ingredients to artisan appeal, gelato isn't just a trend, it's a smarter, creamier, more flavorful option. Let's start with the home kitchen. Gelato has less butterfat than traditional ice cream, usually 4 to 8% compared to 10 to 20%. That means gelato is lighter in butterfat, and in commercial settings, it's also churned with less air than American ice cream. That difference in air gives gelato its signature creamy, dense texture. However, at home with smaller machines, the amount of air incorporated isn't as significant. What really makes the biggest impact is serving temperature. Gelato is meant to be served warmer than ice cream, and it's built with a higher ratio of dry ingredients to stay smooth, rich, and scoopable at that slightly softer temperature. Less fat also means more flavor. You actually taste the real ingredients, whether it's fresh fruit, dark chocolate, or maple syrup, without your palate being coated in fat. Gelato is also super approachable. I share both machine-based and no-churn recipes so anyone can make gelato at home with just a few simple tools. Plus, it's more cost-effective. Gelato uses considerably less heavy cream and fewer egg yolks than American-style ice cream, both of which are among the most expensive ingredients. And with milk as the base, gelato is more digestible for many people than heavy cream-based ice cream. If you're thinking about opening a scoop shop or adding a frozen dessert to your restaurant menu, here's the big picture. The global gelato market is projected to reach $22.8 billion by 2031, growing at a 9.7% annual rate. That's nearly double in less than a decade. Why? Because gelato hits all of the trends: small batch, premium, health conscious, and flavor forward. It's also part of a lifestyle. Gelato is something people enjoy daily or weekly, not just an occasional splurge. Unlike heavy American ice cream, it's seen as a lighter, more refined treat you don't have to feel guilty about. That gives your shop the chance to become a part of someone's routine, not just a special outing. From a business standpoint, that means higher visit frequency, more opportunity for community connection, and long-term customer loyalty. You can work with smaller batch sizes, rotate flavors more often, reduce waste, and charge premium pricing. It's a product that's easy to differentiate and build a brand around. And unlike traditional ice cream, gelato invites storytelling about ingredients, technique, even the inspiration behind the flavors. That's powerful for marketing. Whether you're making it by hand at home or planning your dream dessert business, gelato is more than a trend, it's an opportunity. Explore more tips, recipes, and business resources at fortheloveofgelato.com and thegelatoexpert.com, and follow along to start your own gelato journey.